Protecting your mobile home from intruders. Picture this. It's late at night, and you're home with your family in your mobile home when you hear something outside: a shuffle, a tap, a noise you can't quite place. You freeze, heart pounding, as you realize the danger. Your home might not be as secure as you thought. Mobile homes, by design, can be more vulnerable to break-ins, but there are steps you can take right now to turn your home into a fortress and keep your loved ones safe. In this video, we're diving into every critical step to secure your mobile home from intruders. We'll cover reinforcing your doors and windows. Mobile home doors are often hollow and easy to breach. Learn how to replace them with solid core doors or fortify them with security bars and metal reinforcements. Install shatterproof film on windows to make breaking in nearly impossible. Installing motion-activated lighting and cameras. Darkness is an intruder's best friend. We'll show you how to eliminate blind spots around your home using floodlights and motion detectors. Set up affordable security cameras that send alerts to your phone in real time. Fortify your skirting and access points. Intruders often exploit the skirting around mobile homes. Learn how to reinforce this area with steel mesh or heavy-duty barriers. Identify weak access points like vents or utility hatches and seal them with tamper-proof locks. Creating a perimeter defense, set up physical barriers like thorny bushes under windows, fences, or even inexpensive driveway alarms to detect movement. Discover DIY booby traps and noisemakers that can alert you the moment someone approaches. Personal safety plans. Have an emergency escape plan and safe room ready for your family. Keep non-lethal defense tools like pepper spray, personal alarms, or a baseball bat strategically placed. Technology hacks to stay ahead of intruders. Use smart locks and app-controlled alarm systems to lock down your home even when you're away. Learn how to simulate being home with smart lighting that turns on at random intervals. This is not just about safety, it's about peace of mind. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to turn your mobile home into an impenetrable sanctuary for your family. Don't wait for something bad to happen. Take action now before it's too late.